Have you ever wondered what mysteries the sun hides behind its blazing light? The fiery star at the center of our solar system, the sun, has intrigued and fascinated us for millennia. Yet, despite being the most influential celestial body in our lives, its intricate workings remain largely a mystery. Enter NASA's Solar Orbiter, a spacecraft designed with a groundbreaking mission in mind, to delve into the heart of the sun's atmosphere and unravel the secrets of its behavior. This mission isn't just about taking pretty pictures. It's about expanding our understanding of the sun and its profound impact on space weather. The sun, you see, isn't just a giant glowing ball of gas. It's a complex dynamic system with its own weather patterns that can affect not only the planets in our solar system, but also our own technology here on Earth. Solar storms, for example, can disrupt communication and navigation systems and even cause power outages. By understanding the sun better, we can better predict and prepare for these space weather events. The Solar Orbiter is equipped with a suite of 10 state-of-the-art instruments designed to capture high-resolution images of the sun's surface, measure the solar wind, and analyze the sun's magnetic fields. These instruments work together to provide scientists with a comprehensive picture of the sun's activity. This mission is a testament to our human curiosity and the power of scientific exploration. It's about pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and venturing into uncharted territory. It's a journey into the heart of our solar system, a journey that could unlock the secrets of the sun and deepen our understanding of the universe. So, as we embark on this solar journey, let's remember the importance of exploration and discovery. Let's remember that each new finding, each new image, brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. As we delve into the heart of our solar system, we are reminded of the vastness of the universe and our quest to understand it. Ignition and liftoff, our journey to the sun begins. With the thunderous roar of engines and a blaze of fiery exhaust, the Solar Orbiter ascended into the heavens, a speck of human ingenuity against the vast expanse of the cosmos. The air was electric with anticipation and excitement. The launch, a testament to human endeavor, was not without its challenges. The immense gravitational pull of Earth, the intricate trajectory calculations, and the delicate balance of power and control, all were hurdles to be overcome. Yet, overcome they were. This was more than just a technological marvel. It was a symbol of our insatiable curiosity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As the Solar Orbiter disappeared into the inky blackness, a collective breath was held and then released. The countdown had ended, but the adventure was just beginning. With the successful launch, our Solar Orbiter began its journey, carrying humanity's curiosity with it. As we approach the sun, the challenges intensify. Imagine, if you will, a spacecraft hurtling through the vast expanse of space, blazing a path towards the sun. This is no ordinary journey. The Solar Orbiter is on a mission to capture the deepest image of the sun. But as it draws closer, the environment becomes increasingly hostile. The sun, while a source of life, is also a formidable force. Its intense solar radiation and extreme temperatures are enough to cripple even the most robust spacecraft. To add to this, the sun's magnetic field, a swirling maelstrom of charged particles, poses a significant navigational challenge. So, how does our Solar Orbiter manage to overcome these obstacles? The answer lies in innovative engineering and meticulous planning. The spacecraft is equipped with a state-of-the-art heat shield designed to withstand temperatures upwards of 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. This shield not only protects the orbiter's delicate instruments from the sun's intense heat, but also keeps them cool enough to function effectively. The orbiter's navigation system is another marvel of modern engineering. It's designed to predict and counteract the effects of the sun's magnetic field, ensuring the spacecraft stays on course. This system is constantly recalibrating, adjusting the orbiter's trajectory in real time to navigate the unpredictable solar winds. But the real hero of this mission is the team of scientists and engineers who have spent years preparing for this journey. Their expertise and dedication are what truly make this mission possible. They monitor the orbiter's progress round the clock, ready to respond to any unexpected developments. The journey to the sun is fraught with challenges, each one more daunting than the last. But with each hurdle, we gain invaluable knowledge. pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Despite the harsh conditions, our solar orbiter persevered, edging closer to its destination. With every mile traveled, we inch closer to uncovering the mysteries of our sun, and in doing so, we unlock a new chapter in our understanding of the cosmos. Scene script: imagine capturing the deepest image of the sun. What would you expect to see? Let's journey together into this remarkable accomplishment. NASA's solar orbiter, a marvel of human engineering, embarked on a mission to capture an image of the sun like never before. The orbiter was equipped with state-of-the-art technology and instruments designed to withstand the sun's intense heat and radiation. The process of capturing the deepest image of the sun was meticulous and intricate. The orbiter had to position itself at the perfect angle, balancing between the gravitational pulls of the sun and Earth, while its instruments worked in harmony to capture the image. The telescopes on board, equipped with high-resolution sensors, peered into the sun's atmosphere, capturing the image pixel by pixel, each one filled with data waiting to be interpreted. The result was a stunning image that revealed the sun in unprecedented detail. It showcased a fiery sphere, not merely a ball of gas, but a dynamic and complex celestial body. The image unveiled the sun's intricate magnetic fields, swirling plasma, and intense solar flares. It was like watching a ballet of cosmic proportions, with each element dancing in sync with the sun's rhythm. This image was more than just a beautiful snapshot. It was a treasure trove of information. It held the secrets to understanding the sun's behavior, its impact on Earth, and its role in the wider cosmos. The image also revealed phenomena that had previously been hidden from our view, like the sun's polar regions and the heliosphere, the bubble-like region of space dominated by the solar wind. The deepest image of the sun was a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. It was a reflection of our persistent quest to understand our universe, to reach out to the stars, and to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. This unprecedented image brought us closer to the sun, revealing its intricate details and mesmerizing beauty. The sun, once a distant and enigmatic celestial body, was now within our grasp, brought closer to us by the power of human innovation and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each detail in the image is a key, unlocking the mysteries of our sun. This profound statement sets the stage for our journey into the heart of the sun's secrets. This deepest image of the sun, captured by the solar orbiter, is more than just a stunning snapshot. It's a treasure trove of information revealing the intricate workings of our closest star. Each swirl of plasma, each magnetic field line, each flare's burst, carries a story about the sun's behavior and its profound impact on our solar system. One of the most captivating features of the image are solar flares. These sudden, explosive releases of energy can be seen as bright spots on the sun's surface. Their origins have long puzzled scientists, but now, thanks to our deepest image, we're beginning to understand these fiery phenomena. They are triggered by the complex interactions of the sun's magnetic fields, a dance of forces that we're now able to observe in unprecedented detail. And then there are the coronal mass ejections, the sun's most powerful solar particle eruptions. These eruptions hurl billions of tons of solar material into space, often in the direction of Earth. Understanding their origins is crucial, not just for solar science, but for the safety of our satellites and astronauts in space. The image also provides critical insights into space weather. This term refers to the conditions in space that are influenced by the sun's activity. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections, for instance, can cause geomagnetic storms that affect telecommunications and power grids on Earth. By studying the deepest image of the sun, we can better predict and prepare for these solar events. Indeed, every pixel in this image is a piece of a larger puzzle. A puzzle that, once solved, will help us comprehend the sun's behavior, its impact on our planet, and its role in the broader cosmos. With each mystery unraveled, we are one step closer to understanding our sun and its influence on our universe. The deepest image of the sun is not the end, but a new beginning. It's a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. This mission, born from a desire to understand the universe around us, has already begun to inspire future generations. Children watching today may be the scientists and engineers of tomorrow, furthering our knowledge of the cosmos. They will be the ones to push the boundaries of solar exploration and perhaps even set foot on other planets. The image we've captured serves as a beacon, illuminating the path for these future explorers. It's a call to every young mind to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, to dare to ask questions and seek answers in the universe. As we continue our journey, let us remember that every discovery, every image, brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos.